Hello, so I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. Have you ever come across this? That was my issue for several years, like 2 years, and I couldn't get help from Samsung. You go on your secure folder and then you have some kind of like a disable by admin, action not allow, blah, 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 blah. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you in the process. First thing you want to do, you want to go to your secure folder, okay? You get in, and once you get in, mine is just a customized folder. So you go to customize and then you can there make any adjustment, and the first letter will be the word that you type in, so however you want to do. So anyway, once that is done, you go back to settings, and under settings you want to go to backup and restore. Important, you want to back up your data first. So you select everything you need to back up, and then you go on backing up your data. So once you're done, you will want now to go under more settings, and you want to uninstall the whole thing. Okay, you can select move media if you want. If you don't, you unselect. Mine, I don't really care, since I already have less media and then also have backup. So you say uninstall, so you click on uninstall. He will take you through and he will uninstall everything from your system. Next thing, once you uninstall, you will want to go to search for secure folder. You can either go this way or simply drop down the menu, and then he will bring the same thing. This menu, you bring the same thing. So you agree, you go through the steps. Once you go through the step, he will walk you through how to set up everything. If you have a code like me, it is a two-step authentication. Once you're done, you process with this, and at this point we go back now to the secure folder, and you will have to wait. It will take a little time, but once it's done, it's done. So I'm gonna fast forward a little bit and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back. Now here you can choose to set your pattern and your fingerprint or your iris. I don't want the iris, so I'm gonna disable this and keep on the fingerprint and then the pattern. So it depends on whatever you want to do. I'm disabling it, and you go through the process of resetting everything. You draw your pattern, how you want to do. It boots up, and now you're ready. At this point, you want to now restore your backup. So you go under settings again. You go to backup and restore. Okay, you click on restore here, and you will choose the backup that you need, and you process with the last backup. You choose it and you hit restore, and boom, you're good. Now here, if you open the app, the same app, or expose and then app info, look, I can now have under permissions. Now I have the ability to say allow deny, and it is solved. I don't have any issue with admin. If I use another app, okay, if I open Zoom, there you go, that will be the same thing. App expose, I go under app info, and I look also into permissions. You will see, so I can allow a permission, I can deny, and do anything I want with that. That's how you fix it. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.